India, are you feeling tired, dealing with headaches, or just a little bit irritable? You might just be dehydrated. Surprised? Most people don't realize that staying hydrated in winter is just as crucial in summer. But why? Let me break it down for you. During winter, the cold air holds less moisture. Monsoon is gone, right? So there's no moisture in the air. It dries out our skin and mucous membranes faster. And here's the tricky part. We often don't feel as thirsty in winter, so we end up drinking less water. But did you know your body actually works harder in winter to keep your temperature stable? That means more blood flows throughout your body, which means more work for your kidneys and, you guessed it, more trips to the bathroom. It's like that familiar urge to pee after sitting in a cold cinema for a while, right? And all this extra work leads to more fluid loss, which can actually leave you even more dehydrated without even realizing it. Now, besides thirst, there are some other signs to watch for. Dark yellow urine. I'm like, oh, yellow urine, I need to drink more water. Constipation, your potty gets stuck. Chapped lips or skin, headaches, and a rapid heart rate, so check it on your watch. Dehydration can be risky, especially for infants and the elderly. If you're experiencing reduced urine output, a fever between 100 to 102 degrees Fahrenheit, or diarrhea lasting over 2 days, these could be signs of severe dehydration. Don't ignore them, those need medical attention. Research shows that dehydration symptoms in winter are often less noticeable. But even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, dry skin, and a weakened immune system. Staying hydrated helps keep your energy up, supports your immunity, and can even prevent those pesky winter headaches. Now, with winter comes the common cold and flu season. Hydration plays a big role here too. Staying hydrated helps your body produce lymph, which carries immune cells to fight off infections. So what are my tips to stay hydrated this winter? The first tip, replace all your cold beverages with herbal teas. Consider drinking warm water or herbal teas such as ginger, chamomile, green tea, or peppermint tea. Hibiscus is one of my favorites. These options not only keep you hydrated but also contain antioxidants that boost your immunity. It's a double benefit during the flu season. The second tip, remember that even in winter, we do lose electrolytes. Add a pinch of pink salt, sea salt, Celtic salt to your water, or include foods like bananas, nuts, and leafy greens to your diet to balance out the electrolytes or these lost minerals and improve your body's water retention. Don't take extra salt if you're a BP patient. Consult your medical nutritionist. Third tip, incorporate water-rich winter fruits and veggies like oranges, apples, cucumbers, and carrots into your meals. They're packed with hydration and nutrients. Fourth tip, and my personal, homemade soups are a great way to stay hydrated in winter. I prepare a batch of soup and I keep it for 3 or 4 days. It's okay in the fridge. Now, when I use fresh vegetables, they're warm, nourishing, and you could use things like water-rich ingredients like leafy greens, celery, cucumbers, and seasonal vegetables. I like to add a lot of spices in my soup like cinnamon, pepper, and turmeric. Fifth tip, avoid too much caffeine as it can contribute to dehydration. Remember, caffeine is a natural diuretic, meaning it flushes out the water and electrolytes from your system. For every caffeinated drink, like coffee, have an equal glass of water to balance it out. Sixth tip, swap alcohol for a mocktail. Alcohol can interfere with your body's perception of colds, increasing the risk of hypothermia. Instead, mix, my favorite, unsweetened soda water, sparkling water with a slice of lemon or berries or cucumber for a refreshing, hydrating mocktail, or your basic Nimbu Pani can also help you with taste and hydration. It's a win-win from both ways. Seventh tip, make hydration a routine. Set a goal to drink water, a certain amount of water each day. Try placing a glass on your bedside table to start your morning hydrated, and make water your drink of choice throughout the day. Make alarms or reminders on your phone to reach out to your bottle. This really works for me. Siri is amazing. I just say, hey Siri, set an alarm for me to drink 8 glasses of water, and she does it. So remember, just because it's cold outside, it doesn't mean your body needs less water. You need to aim for 2 to 3 liters daily and listen to your body's signals. Make sure you plan where the toilets are available because you might go to pee more often. Staying hydrated will keep you energized, healthy, and you will be ready to take on this winter. If you've liked this video about hydration, please share this with your loved ones, follow me, subscribe to my channel, or if you meet me at the airport, say, Ryan Fernando, cheers, I follow you with all your nutrition tips.